Hello everybody and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Milky Moth and today we're looking at some fans. Alright, so I bought this packet of fans on Amazon. This is a packet of... what brand is this? It is Easy DIY Fab is what they're called. This is a 6 packet of fans. This cost me $70. This one. Now let's have a little bit of a look here. I'm just going to open it up and see what we come with. So, some screws for each of the fans there. Little remote. Now these ones are supposed to be RGB actually. We got a little bit of a fan controller with adhesive backing and whatnot on there too. And then it looks like we have our fans. So what we'll do, just pull out the manual. Read the manual first. Always read the manual. Easy DIY Fab Fan installation guide. So they connect to the fan hub, and then from there the fan hub has a little connector, so it's powered by SATA, and then it's also has the connector that goes to the motherboard header. I don't think I actually have that motherboard header, but you should just be able to use this to do the thing. So if you look there, that's what it's sort of telling us to do. Alright, perfect. Let's have a look at some of these fans. Just do all 6 of them, I guess. Alright, so here's our 6 fans. Let's pull one out. Get one out. Right. I guess it's not bad actually. It looks pretty good. The build quality on it's fairly sturdy. It's not like stupidly flimsy. It even has like little rubber paddings for like cushioning and whatnot, so then it's not going to vibrate ridiculously. These fins are a little bit flimsy actually. That's a bit thinner plastic, but it's also transparent. So what's going to have, and it looks like it's going to have some RGB lighting and whatnot. Well, yes, it is going to have RGB lighting. It also has this sort of ring around here, which I presume is also for the RGB lights. What we're sort of going to do though, I've also got this Noctua fan, which is sort of like the industry standard, I guess. And we were going to compare the two sort of. So this one is has a lot higher build quality essentially compared to this. But it'd be interesting to see how they sort of stack up, because this is sort of the industry standard of fans, whereas this is, well, it's an Amazon fan. It's made in China, a small little pack of heap of them. So we're gonna plug this in, see if we can get these set up and see how they go. Perfect. Now, once we give power to the SATA, it should turn on. So we just need to, oh, there we go, look at that. We got our fans front. Oh, the RGB and everything. That's really cool. Let me just make sure this is all gonna stick. Okay. Look at that. So they're blowing air, definitely. Oh, they're definitely blowing air, as you can tell. They look really nice. They have like they have this ring around here as well, which is doing RGB, and it looks like there's also RGB in the center of the fan hub as it sort of goes around. That's really funky. Now keep in mind that this 6 pack of fans costs $70, which is the same price as one of these Noctua fans, and this doesn't even have RGB on it. Now the little remote that it comes with can change it can change the lights to whatever you'd like, really. Is this the brightness? Oh, you can also like dim and brighten them as well. Looks at it. I kind of like auto on the whole fancy RGB sort of thing. All right, so that's these like fans. Now all of them will connect to the fan hub, and you can have them all going at once. For some cheap fans, they don't seem that bad, to be perfectly honest with you. We'll do a couple of tests. We'll test the RPMs and everything on these. We'll test how loud they're going to be. We'll do all those sort of things, and yeah, we'll have a look at them.
Okay, so I'm editing this video about 2 months after actually recording because I procrastinate a lot. But essentially this next little sequence will be showing us testing the RPM. It'll also show us some of the sounds, so you'll be able to hear what the fans actually physically sound like. And we also try to show the airflow that they're sort of doing. It didn't work fantastically well, but yeah, check it out.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. A little bit of a comparison between these fans. You guys should definitely go pick some of these ones up for yourself. They seem pretty cool, and for $70, you can't really go wrong for 6 fans. I'll leave a little link down in the description for all that. If you want to get one of the Nocturne ones, I'll also leave a link for that. Although remember, that's $70 for 1 fan in comparison to $70 for 6. Cheap RGB. I reckon it's pretty good. What else? I also stream every Wednesday and Thursday, so if you'd like to go check out my Twitch, you should definitely go do that. The link is down below. Guys, make sure if you like this video, you press that like button, and make sure you subscribe to be notified of any future videos that come out as well. I will see you guys all next time. Goodbye.